Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of training for BMC Helix Business Workflows. This is my first video in this series. My name is Vaibhav Wadekar. I am lead support architect in BMC software. Today, I'm going to talk about how to create and use case template within BMC Helix Business Workflows. Let's dive in. This training covers below agenda. It covers what is case template, how do you create a case templates, how to use those case templates that you created during case submission. Let us look what is case templates. Templates are an easy way for agents to save time by reusing the information that is common to similar type of request. If you're using BMC Helix business workflows for different line of business, templates will ensure that the case follows the flowset specific processes. For example, if you would like to order a phone, you would ask the information such as the phone make, whether it is iPhones, Galaxy. You can ask the different questions like phone model, how much RAM do you need on that phone, and when do you need it. You can have this predefined set of questions defined within the case template so that the agent do not have to type this information again. Let us look how to create case templates. In order to create a case template, you have to log in to BMC Helix Business Workflows. Once you log in, you will see the profile icon where you see the username, and right side of it, you'll see the gear icon, which is the settings. Once you click settings, you'll be presented with the navigation pane on the left hand side of the screen with the settings. You have to select case management, expand case management. Within that, you will see case templates. On the right hand side, you will see the case template with the plus icon. Click on that plus icon, case template, in order to create a case template. Specify the template name, case summary, case company, what will be the case status. You can define the case priority, and you can define the case description where you can define the preset of questions along with the category and the assignment information. You can click the save template in order to save the template. Additionally, you can add tasks to the templates if you'd like to have certain conditions to be met when the case template being attached to the case. Now the case templates are ready to use. Let us look how to use those templates during submission of cases. When you create a case using case template, you will save a lot of time and energy of a support agent. There are two ways to create a case within BMC Helix Business Workflows. One, using a create case page. Second, using quick case. We will take a look at both of these use cases. When you have the required information to create a case, use the create case page. Log into BMC Helix Business Workflows. Click on create case. On the create case page, enter the value for the requester, enter the summary, and select a case template. You will see the template that you have created will be shown. Click apply, and within the description, you will see your predefined set of questions. Enter those details and click save case. Now we have learned the first way of creating a case. Let us look the second option, how to create a case using a quick case. This option is very helpful when an agent receives a call from an employee and he can pretty much enter the details as he speaks to the employee. For example, if you click to quick case, you can click @ sign, type the name of the employee who called you, and type the description for the reason that he called. As you enter the description, you will see within the recommended template section the template that you want to use, and then click create case to save the details to the case. Once the case is created, click edit and enter the values within the description for the predefined set of questions. This is an easy and fast way of creating a case. Let us look at the demo of how to create case template and how do you use those case templates during case submission. I'm opening the BMC Helix Business Workflows. I'm at the login page. I'm trying to log in with the user. If you have an integration with RSSO, you will be directly log in to BMC Helix Business Workflows. Once I log in, I can click on this gear icon, and within this gear icon, I could see in the navigation pane, case management, case template. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, case template. Here, I'm going to enter the detail, order a phone. I would like to set this to an in progress status. I would like to ask the details such as phone make, phone model, how much RAM needed, when do you need this phone. Here, I'm going to save priority as medium and case company. I'm going to select phone, cellular phones, service. If I would like to associate tasks, and if there are multiple tasks, whether I would like to proceed to the next task if the first task is failed. I set this option to do not proceed. There are other options as proceed with the next task. So when you select to do not proceed, the case will not move forward if the first task is failure. Add the assignment information and then here the identity validation. So there are two options, optional and enforce. So if somebody is calling you over the phone and if you would like to validate that user, by setting this value to enforce, you must enter the PIN by asking certain set of questions to the employee like date of birth or 4 digit of social security numbers. Until he provides that information, you will not be able to create a case. By making it optional, even though the user does not know the details, you can still create a case. I set it to optional, and then here you can set the template status to active. Once you do that, click save. At this point, you can add the task to the template. In order to add a task, make sure the template is inactive first. Click on add task, and here whatever the task that you would like to add, you can pretty much. Here I simply selected purchase requisition and click save. So now you can see that the task has been added to the case template. I can set this template to active. This is how you can create a case template. Now let us look how do you create a case. Log on to BMC Helix Business Workflows. The first way of creating a case is using create case. So here I'm at the create case. Right here, I'm entering the details of the requester and the purpose is calling it. The moment I enter the order summary, I can click select case template. So here I can see order a phone. I click on apply. You can see the template filled in the information within the description and all the fields like categories, assignment. So here I can give the information and click on save case. You can see right here the task has been associated and it has been assigned status. This is one way of creating a case. Let us look the second way of creating a case. I need to click on quick case. Right here, I will type it in. I just type it in something like this. You can see that I have the template order a phone. I simply click it. Based on the pin validation, I can either click on validate and validate that person or the user who's calling, or you can skip that step. Here I'm going to click create case. The case has been created and you can see the task. Here you can click on edit and enter the details and click save. This is the second way of creating a case. I would like to discuss a couple questions here. For example, in the troubleshooting section, the case templates is not available for selection when you're creating a case. The reason could be the case template is not active. Only active case template will be shown within the recommended template section when you're creating a case within BMC Helix Business Workflows. The second thing is you're creating a case, but it's not showing the recommended templates. You have to make sure that the summary that you're typing within the case matches the summary that you have in the template. Sometimes the user forget and just simply click on select case template without any summary. At that time, uh, the BMC Business Workflows will not show you any recommended templates. You can select all templates if you'd like to choose a specific template. These are a couple of bookmarks that will help you find more information on case templates as well as how to create case. I hope you found this information useful. Looking forward to the next video for BMC Helix Business Workflows. Thank you.